Hello and welcome in the Mendix Development course for a beginner. In this course, I will show you how to easily build application by the Mendix 7.22. We have mainly three sections in this course. The first section is the how to start working on Mendix. Under this subject, we have three lectures. The first lecture, I will guide you how to sign up as a new developer in the Mendix website and then downloading the desktop modular. After that, in the lecture number 2 and the lecture number 3, we will create your first application and then creating the tables and the pages. After completing the section number 1, we will go to the section number 2, is the data widgets and the entities associations. Entities associations in the other development environment is like the tables and the relations, the same meaning. So in the lecture number 4 and the lecture number 5, we will create the entities and will set the attributes and data types, and then we will create the data widgets and we'll make the connection between the data widgets like the data view, data grid to the entities. In the lecture number 6, we will go through the toolbox. We have a lot of the widgets inside it. So we will go through it and we will learn how to use the data widgets and the other widgets, and also how we can set the attributes. Okay, after section number 2, we have finally the section number 3. It's the last section in our course. In section number 3, we have the Mendix Xpath and the microflows. In the Xpath, we can make the constraints during the query, and after that, we can also make the filters, and we will use them to display the data in the data widgets. We will go in the details about the Xpath in the lecture number 7, and after that, the most important part in the Mendix development is the microflows. We have two lectures number 8 and lecture number 9. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will enjoy in this course. Thank you and see you in the first lecture.